What's up, guys? Real quick, I wanted to show you guys how to make a quick $1,000 in less than a minute. As you can see, today I traded BTBT. This was a perfect breakout. As you can see, this thing was, it was powerful. I mean, it was moving up, and of course, my strategy, go time. As soon as it hits above go time, I'm jumping in, and then I'm taking my wins as soon as possible. So as you guys can see, I jumped in here at 11.96, and then I jumped out at 12.21, 4,000 shares. I jumped in at 9:30.06. I jumped out at 9:30.27. So that was pretty easy. Let me play this video so you guys can actually see what happened. I hope I didn't. Actually, I did close it off. So let me find this video so you guys can. Let's see. Um, there we go. We gotta go in this because I normally save everything here. Screen file. And here's the video there. Let's pause this and let's move this like that. Um, well, this is going to. Let's close this out and let's make this a little bit bigger. Oh boy. Okay. Alrighty. So get this out the way. Alright, I'm gonna hit the play button there. As you can see, I tried to jump in. You see volume kicking in. I tried to jump in a little bit early, but I didn't get filled there. So then I hit the hotkey again above go time. I was hoping it dipped down and take this 4,000 shares. That way it would give me 8,000 and then pop back up. But it just didn't do that, and it just kept going. So I ended up canceling this order right there. As you can see, I just canceled it. And then as it's having some hesitation right there, I quickly sold. And that was it. That's as simple as it. I mean, that's so basically, it's the same strategy every day that I trade. As soon as it's popping above go time, I'm jumping in, I'm taking my wins, and then I turn everything off. As you can see, I did pretty well. Um, it ended up just dropping way below again. So this right here was the best time to be trading. That's why I only trade the first 5-10 minutes, and then the rest of the day, I log off. I'm done. Now this thing may end up curling back up and exploding again, but I don't want to sit through this. I just want to make my profits as fast as I can and get going, and that's it. But how did I find this stock? Trade ideas. If you guys do not have trade ideas, then you're probably going to cost yourself some money. Don't get me wrong, you can still make money without this scanner, but um, I used to make money without it, but once I got it, I realized how much I was not making because this thing makes me a lot more. It tells me everything that's happening in real time. As you can see, BTBT is right there. It tells me this thing is here. It's part of the gappers. So anyways, if you guys don't have trade ideas, the link is below. If you guys want to learn how to do this, hit me up. My email is below. Contact me, and let's get you going. All right, guys. Have a good one.